Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show my FPL team. So without wasting time, let's go to the team segment. So here is it is opening. In the first game week, I have not created a video because I don't think that was sufficient because the two jam teams, Manchester United and Manchester City, have not their matches there that game week. So, but let me show you my team from first game week. Here you can see the game week first points. Average was 50 and my score was 70. So without wasting, let me show you how much I my team was there in game first game week of the FPL. Here it is. You can see two from Liverpool, Aubameyang captained, and Werner and Havertz from Chelsea, and few others. So in this game week, I will make some transfers because we don't have any Manchester United and Manchester City player yet, and you all know the players of Manchester United and Manchester City are the are one of the most like De Bruyne and Fernandes, who score a lot of more points. So my first player who will go out is Issa Diop because his next time fixtures are very tough. You can see here they will play Arsenal, Wolves, Leicester, and the other ones are also tough. So we will replace him, and we will replace him with Leicester City Zobby Justin, one of the greatest very good players at a very low price. He was 4.5, but after his first game week, he got an upgrade, and now he is at 4.6. So let me find him where he is. You can see Jobby Justin, yeah, here, Leicester City fullback. First change is him, and the other one I will change is Havertz. Havertz, although he's a great player, but I will change him because I don't think he will have that lot of goal scoring like he was in Bayern Leverkusen in Bundesliga. So I will change it with one Manchester United player. And you all know about the Manchester United front four: Greenwood, Rashford, Martial. You can choose anyone; they will score goals. That's for sure. We cannot sign Fernandes because his value is 10.5 and we don't have that much of money. We have only 8.5. So we will go with, let me see who is there, and I will go with Manchester United's Mason Greenwood. Last season he was a bank with 17 goals and 10 goals in the Premier League. Now he will play a lot more games because Ole Gunnar Solskjaer prefers him a lot. And I have not signed any Manchester City player because their matches is again Wolves, and Wolves are a very great side. So this is my transfer. Although I have it cost me -4 points, but I don't care because I need they will the two players which I have signed will offer me some more points. So I have to sign these players. Now I will assign my team. Let me confirm it first. I have not opted for wild card because I don't think it is the right time because we will wild card in the mid transfer window when in January, when some more players will join, and then the summer transfer window is not completed yet because there will be many signings like we are hearing about Jadon Sancho to Manchester United, Koulibaly to City. I don't know whether it will happen or not, but we will see, and then we will sign him. So we have signed some players. Now we will put the team, and the team would be like I need some changes in my team. So let me pick my team for the game week 2. Although my defense looks great, Alexander Arnold, the liver game between Liverpool and Chelsea will be a bang. I expect a lot of more goals, maybe 2-3 goals from each side, but I don't know what will happen. My captain will be Aubameyang because is as one of the greatest things in this FPL as he is a midfielder, and you know how much points the midfielder scores, and one goal will cost will give us 5 points. So my captain will be Aubameyang, and what I will do yet is put Joby Justin for Calvin Davis. I don't think Villa has lots that much goal in them, so we'll go with Joby Justin. Maybe provide some assist to Jamie Vardy. No one knows. And Charlie Taylor in place of injured Davis Stevens. Although it will do it by own, but I will put it there. And now we could confirm it. So I have put my team here 4-4-2, and so you guys can comment me in my YouTube comment section and tell me whether how would you go with whether you will go with the wild card or not in this game week. Until then, very goodbye and be safe, be happy. Thank you.